Hi guys and welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Mwaka the Wifepreneur. Welcome to this new series that I'm about to start on ebooks. Well, if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we're all about entrepreneurship, productivity, as well as social media growth. And that means that if you stick around on this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, you will not miss out on any of my videos where I encourage you guys to start your own small business. I give ideas on small business, I give tips and everything that you need to grow your small business. So today's video is all about ebooks, ebooks 101. What are ebooks? Is there any types of ebooks? What softwares do I need for an ebook? Where can I sell my ebooks? All these questions we're gonna cover in this video. So what is an ebook? An ebook is an electronic book. That means that it's a book that you can read on your smartphone, on your tablet, on your computer, on any of your digital devices. It is an electronic book, so you can read it anytime. So ebooks date back to whenever internet started. Ebooks have always been there, but it's just that now we value them, now are more valuable, now we appreciate them more than before, because it is the best way that you can sell your knowledge without you being a professor, without you having to know English, without you being all professional. This is just a simple electronic book where you're going to share something about your life, something about your hobby, teaching people about XYZ. Ebook has no limit. Ebooks can be about gardening tips, ebooks can be about makeup tutorials, ebooks can be about hair products, ebooks can be about anything. This is just basically you sharing information with the next person. So ebooks can be sold, ebooks can be given for free. It's really up to you what you want to use your ebook for. So you can decide to use ebooks for free by just simply sharing information to people throughout the internet. It could be on YouTube, it could be on Instagram, it could be anywhere. And you can also sell ebooks to earn a living. So for you to sell an ebook, you need to make sure that whatever content that is going to be in that ebook is really informative and it changes lives, meaning it gives solutions to people. So you just don't want to write an ebook and simply say, this is what people need, I'm going to sell this ebook. No. Sometimes you may create an ebook, but it will not sell because maybe what you wrote, it's what you think people want. It's not exactly what they want. So I guess that part I can leave it for another video. So let's move on. You may ask yourself, what do I need to include in my ebook? Well, ebooks includes text. You can add your hyperlinks, you can add your diagrams, you can add your pictures. So ebooks, you can add any of these things that I've mentioned. Also, an ebook has no limit. An ebook can be as long as 5 pages. An ebook can be as long as 10 pages. An ebook can be as long as 100 pages. So it's really up to you. But in today's world, in this digital world, we know that a lot of people want fast things. So I don't want an ebook that is 100 pages where the first 20 pages is you introducing yourself or how much your book is important and all that. I just need instant information. So that's why I suggest you make your ebook very short. Make sure that you're gonna jump straight into the content that is needed to be shared. So this is where we use the principle called the KISS strategy. So keep it simple, sweet, straightforward, and straight to the point. There are 3 types of ebooks that are common that we can talk of. There's TXT, there's PDF, there's EPUB. But the most common one is PDF because it's the easiest format that anyone can open on any device, and it's mostly and it's the best because once you have put your work in PDF, you know that it's not editable. Nobody can go and play around with your information. Before we move on to the types of softwares that we can use to create ebook, I'd like you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing right now. Softwares. So what type of softwares do I need to create an ebook? An ebook is something that you can write in It doesn't matter, in 2 days, in a day, in 3 days, it's really up to you, especially if you have all information. So the first software that I'll suggest, you can use Google Docs. Today's weather won't let me be. Okay, I was talking about Google Docs. You can use Google Docs. You'll be writing whatever notes that you'll be writing about your ebook. You'll be uploading everything on Google Docs, and then once you're done with Google Docs, then when you're sure this is the exact content that you want to write in your ebook, then you can simply translate whatever script that is on Canva. I'd suggest you use Canva, especially if you're a newbie, because Canva gives you everything. Canva is just a drag and drop, change colors to whatever that you want. It gives you opportunities to add links, it gives you opportunities to add pictures, it gives you to add anything that you want to make your ebook attractive. So it Google Docs for writing, and then you transfer it to Canva, you know, for all the graphics. So while at it under still the format, you also want to make use of bold, in italic, maybe for emphasis, to quote certain people. You also want to make sure that your paragraphs are kind of short, relatively short, straight to the point. You make use of bullets, you make use of numbers, just so that the information is really smooth and straight to the point. Let's talk about where to sell your ebooks, or where to share your ebooks from. So there are a few different platforms that I'm going to share with you. Some of them are free, and some of them are free, and some of them they are paid. So platform number one, it's Podia. Podia is a marketing platform where you can sell all your digital products. You can start your courses and everything. I'll have a video up very soon where I talk about Podia. If you're a content creator, if you're a coach and you want to sell your digital products or your courses, that's the place where to go. You can use the code on the screen right now to get 7 days free or 10% off. There's no free version on Podia. The second place where you can sell your ebooks, or where you can share your ebooks, is a place called Template. Template is an Instagram tool that you can use as a landing page. You can call it a mini website, especially if you do not have a website of your own. So Template has a free version and a paid version. And if you want to move on to a paid version, if you want to sell your ebooks and you're not giving them for free, I would consider you use the paid version, the business version of it, because people can easily purchase your product on Instagram without them having to leave the application. And if you want to move on to the business version, make sure that you use the coupon on the screen right now for you to get 10% off or 7 days free. One thing that I love about Template is the fact that you can communicate with the people. You can add your social medias, you can add your WhatsApp. People here can pay right there on Instagram. So make sure that you're gonna check out Template. I have a video that is coming soon where I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about Template. Number 3, you can sell your digital products right here on YouTube using the description box. How do you do that? This works hand in hand with ConvertKit. So you create a landing page on ConvertKit. So that landing page is where you upload your ebook. It could be also for free or paid version, it's really up to you. So you get the link from ConvertKit, you put it in the description below. You advertise your ebook, what it's all about. You would send people to the link in the description or in the comment. They go and click on that link and it will take you right to where the ebook is. So when they are there, they just pay and they get their ebook, or if it's free, they just click on it and then they get for free. So that was ConvertKit and YouTube. Last but definitely not least is Shopify. I'm so sorry guys, this flu won't let me, but I have to. This video is long overdue. I have to make this video. If you are new to ebooks and you are interested in writing your own ebook, I have a roadmap that I've specifically designed for you. This is my present from me to you. This roadmap is going to help you know where to start, where to end, what you need, and everything else. So I'll leave the link to the roadmap right in the comment. The first comment is going to be the link to your ebook roadmap for free from me to you. Watch out for the next video where I'm going to talk about Podia, and template. I'll see you in my next one.